Hi students, how are you? Today we will discuss the second part of the General Organic Chemistry or GOC in reaction mechanism. In previous lecture, we end the lecture at intermediate, that is carbocation, carboanion, free radical. And these three intermediates, basically the stability of these three intermediates can be explained through these four factors, that is inductive effect, resonance and hyperconjugation, and electromeric effect. If someone have not seen the previous lecture, first have to go the first lecture in playlist, then see the second list, so that you are able to understand the details general organic chemistry or the fundamental organic chemistry. So starts with inductive effects. What is inductive effects? From the word inductive means it comes from induce, that means the presence of other one, the influence of other group. Here there is given CC, here it is Cl. That means Cl is more electronegativity atom, so that it withdraw the bond pair electron towards itself and form a delta negative ion, here form delta positive ion. So electro or inductive effect, basically the permanent displacement of electronic bond is known as inductive effects. So here have some basic points. You may written your notebooks, so that in further case you will understand in very well. Inductive effect, here induction is due to electronegativity difference. Here I just told you that the presence of electronegativity atom, the induction is possible. Inductive effect arises due to the electronegativity difference of two atom or group. The partial shifting of sigma bond electron towards more electronegative atom is known as inductive effect. Clear? What is inductive effect? Then comes to what is the characteristics of the inductive effect. Inductive effect is a permanent effect. That means once inductive effect is a permanent effect. That means if see here there is a electronegativity, and if sigma bond is or sigma electron cloud is shifted towards the electronegativity, it further case can't reverse back. So it is termed as a permanent effect. Then here another point is inductive effect is distance dependent. After 3 or 4 atoms, the inductive effect is not considered. That means if there is a 2 carbon and there is electronegativity atom, so that since it is more, this carbon is more nearer to electronegativity atom, so inductive effect is more impact on this carbon as compared to this carbon. So with respect to if increase the carbon chain, then the inductive effect is gradually decreases along the chain. So here have 3 or 4 atom, the inductive effect is not considered after 3 or 4 carbon. So here inductive effect is inversely proportional to distance. That means if distance increases, the inductive effect If distance increase, the inductive effect decreases. There are basically two types of inductive effects. One is plus I effect, plus I inductive effect. Another is minus I inductive effect. And what is plus I affecting group? What is minus I affecting group? As we know that plus I means plus it stands for electron losing. I stands for induced. The inductive effect through which group or atom has to lose electron density. Those group which donate electron pair or electron count are known as plus I group. The group basically generally you have know the group generally having lone pair electron or less electronegativity and are easily to donate electron pair, so that it is termed as electron donating group. Here there is a series has given CH2 NHO carboxylates. Here 3 degree carbon, 2 degree, 1 degree. Here titanium, and here is such here this group are given. These are the order of donating group. This order of this donating group can be explained with respect to their donating capability. That means, as we know that the electronegativity cases fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen. That means here CH2. That means among these fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, since carbon is less electronegativity, so that it can easily donate pair of electron as compared to nitrogen, as compared to oxygen. So this order is followed. As electronegativity increases, inductive effect plus I inductive effect decreases. In reverse cases, minus I effect. That means those groups which have tendency to withdraw the bond pair electron towards itself, like electronegativity atom. If a group having less tendency to donate is known as minus I affecting group, or the group having tendency to withdraw the bond pair electron or sigma bond towards itself is known as plus I affecting group. Generally, more the electronegativity atom having higher the minus I inductive effect. Clear? Here also given, and then comes to its application of this inductive effect. That means, as in first lecture I told that how the inductive effects, resonance, mesomeric effects, these effects have explained the order of stability of intermediate. Then how inductive effects stabilize the carbocation. Carbocation means there is less density of electron cloud. That means those groups having tendency to donate electron and minimize the charge density, minimize the potential difference or charge difference to make stable. That means a plus affecting group have tendency to release electron to carbon cation center and minimize the charge density species and makes it stable. That means, as you know that order of stability 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. That means here in 3 degree there is 3 plus I affecting group, so that these 3 group are responsible. These 3 group are responsible minimization of the charge and makes it stable. Here Here there is given rule 1 have given rule 1 here. As electronegativity at carbon center increases, the stability decreases. That means here is 1 degree carbon cation, here also 1 degree carbon, here is also 1 degree carbon cation, but the only difference is hybridization. First one is sp3, second one is sp2, then third one is sp. That means here there is consideration of S character. That means as we know that S percentage as S character is directly proportional to electronegativity. So in sp hybridization there is 50%, S character. Here in sp2 there is 33.3%, here it is 25%. So that means sp hybridized is higher percentage of S character. So electronegativity is high, so their order of stability is less. So the order of this is sp, then sp2, sp3, then sp2, then sp. Then comes to the rule second. If electronegativity is same, then the order of the stability is given as 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. As we know that 3 degree means there is 3 carbon attached to carbocation, 2 degree means 2 carbon attached to carbocation, 1 degree means only 1 carbon attached to carbocation. That means here the electron difference is same, but CH3 act as a donating group, so it minimizes the charge separation and makes it stable. So this order is follow 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. Here also a question in skeletal form. First thing, you have to identify which of the following is 3 degree and which of the following is 1 degree. Then the ascending or descending order you may assign. Here there is CH3 3 degree, that means 3 carbon attached to this central carbocation, so that it is 3 degree, here is 2 degree, here is 1 degree, so that the order of stability 3, 2 and 1. Then comes to rule 3. If rule 1 and rule 2 are fail, then the stability of carbocation directly proportional to plus I affecting group, inversely proportional to minus I affecting group. That means if a carbocation having plus I affecting group more, then this compound is more stable. If minus I affecting is more, then carbocation is less stable. Then comes to the priority order of the plus I affecting, which is very important for entrance, because on this basis generally question asked in the DNP, that means distance, number of plus I group and power. These 3 factors are responsible for determining the order of stability of carbocation. It can be clear by discussing the question. Here there is a question, arrange the following in increasing order of stability. First thing, we have to identify the carbocation, which type of carbocation. That means here is primary, here is also primary, or 1 degree, here also 1 degree. But the only difference have to their group attached to carbocation. That means if we analyze see the option carefully, it is visible that here there is a methyl group, but here is a nothing such type of group, here is nothing, but here is nothing, here is nothing, but in second carbon there is a only chain, there is a branch, and that means 2 donating group. So the order of stability is here 1, here 2, here 3. If you not understood clearly, then see the option clearly and analysis which is different and why, then the option is clearly visible. Then comes to the second question. This second question, the only see the three question option, that is here chlorine is attached to first position, here is the second position, here is the third position. So as we know that inductive effect is distance dependent, that means the nearer the distance dependent with power, that means withdrawing power. Withdrawing power is present nearer to carbocation. It makes very unstable because carbocation inversely proportional to minus I affecting group, directly proportional to plus I affecting group. As Cl act as a minus I affecting group, so it is inversely proportional to. So it will be reverse of this order. That means my option 1 is less as compared to option 2 as compared to option 3. So the order of the stability 3, 2 and 1. Clear? This inductive effect very important both for entrance. Basically it asked in state entrance examination as well as in JEE main level examination. So these questions are very important also. In my further pages I will discuss more questions, but before discussing this, you have to try yourself what is D and how it influence, and what is N and number of groups, and what is P, that means power of this group, whether there is withdrawing group or whether is donating group. These three will develop your concept. So then goes to my page 4. Here some questions, and you write down your notes and analyze yourself, and then mess with my concept. Then here in question 3, there is only if it clearly visible, there is a withdrawing group. Here is a C3 a electron donating, is a minus affecting group, here is plus affecting group, here is minus affecting group, 2 minus affecting group, here also minus affecting group, here is a minus I affecting group. The only difference is here is chlorine, bromine, here is chlorine or bromine, here is chlorine and chlorine, here is plus I. That means of my option 2, here my option 2 will be least as compared to other 3. So that means my option is least. Then here is a only one Cl, but here the but 3 or 4 there is a 2 group. So then my 3. Then among these, which of the following is more withdrawing group? It is chlorine and chlorine. As we know that chlorine is more electronegative than bromine, so that and these are positioned at same distance. So my option 4 is least as compared to 3. As compared to 3, this is the withdrawing group, but we have to assign them in their stability. Stability means the electron donating group or lesser withdrawing group will be stabilized more. That means the order of stability is reverse in nature. That means 2 is more stable than 3, 4. So clear? Then comes to question number 4. First you have to you try then I explain it. Just pause your video and try yourself. Here there is only the variation of variation of groups attached to this carbocation, but these four groups are same distance from the carbocation. The only difference is withdrawing group. If higher the tendency to withdraw, lesser tendency to stabilize the carbocation. That means in reverse, higher the donating on the order of donating power is more, then stabilizing power is more. So here CH3 act as a plus affecting group, OH also act as a plus affecting group. That means which of the following is more? Which of the, whether CH3 or OH? Since OH having lone pair, that means OH stabilize, but here CH3 electronegativity is less as compared to oxygen, so through hyperconjugation CH3 act as a more withdrawing group and stabilize more. So my first priority is 2, then comes to here is OH, that means 4, then here Cl, here is Cn. Cn is more withdrawing power than Cn. So then comes to 3, then 1. Clear the order of stabilization of carbocation. Similarly, you may solve these other 3 questions and analyze which of the following the order of stabilization, and analyze very clearly and develop your concept with respect to question, so that you may eliminate the option in basically examination. Thank you. If you have doubts regarding this question, you may comment down in comment box, so that I will try and explain your doubts very clearly in a separate video. So thank you. It is all about. So then in my next lecture we will discuss the mesomeric effect or resonance effect. So thank you.